Welcome to the world of alligator farming. Did you know the alligator industry in the United States generates over $100 million every year? Florida, Louisiana, and Texas lead the charge, producing luxury leather and gourmet meat. But how do these cold-blooded creatures go from swamp to dinner plate or high-end leather goods? Stick around as we take you behind the scenes of this booming industry, revealing the fascinating process that makes alligator farming a multi-million-dollar business. From breeding and feeding to processing and selling, this documentary will uncover the secrets behind the alligator farming boom. Alligator farming is a thriving industry in the southern U.S., especially in Florida, Louisiana, and Texas. Florida stands out, producing 70% of the nation's alligators, benefiting from its ideal climate and wetlands. These states have created the perfect conditions for farming alligators, from breeding to processing, making them leaders in both leather and meat production. Farmers collect eggs during breeding season with minimal disruption to the animal's natural environment. The eggs are carefully incubated in sand, mimicking the alligator's natural nesting conditions. This ensures that the eggs receive the right balance of moisture and temperature for optimal growth. Once the eggs hatch, the baby alligators are transferred to climate-controlled environments with carefully monitored temperatures and humidity. Early growth and diet. The first few months of an alligator's life are crucial for its development. Farms carefully control the temperature between 82 degrees Fahrenheit and 88 Fahrenheit, and maintain humidity levels between 70% and 90%. This ensures the alligators grow strong and healthy. During their early stages, baby alligators are fed a specially balanced diet, including ground chicken, beef, or fish, enriched with essential vitamins and minerals. As they grow, their feeding schedule changes, mirroring their natural eating habits. This helps maintain their health and ensures their meat remains tender while their hides stay flawless, qualities that meet the high standards of the luxury market. Over time, the alligators reach a size suitable for processing, and the meticulous care they've received guarantees premium products for both leather and meat markets. Veterinary care and health. Veterinary care plays a pivotal role in alligator farming. Regular checkups by farm veterinarians help monitor the health of the animals, identifying early signs of diseases such as parasitic infections or skin conditions. Preventative measures like vaccinations and strict hygiene protocols are essential to maintaining a healthy population. Farms also use dietary adjustments to prevent nutritional deficiencies, ensuring the alligators grow optimally. This proactive care not only supports animal welfare, but also ensures the alligators meet the high standards required for both domestic and international markets. By focusing on veterinary care, farms can minimize the risk of disease outbreaks and ensure consistent, high-quality products. Harvesting and processing. After about 4 to 5 years, alligators typically reach 8 to 10 feet in length and weigh between 300 and 500 pounds. They're now ready for harvest. The harvesting process begins with the humane capture of the alligator, followed by the careful removal of its skin using specialized tools. The quality of the hide is crucial for the luxury leather market, so farm workers take extra care to preserve it. Once the skin is removed, the meat is processed with precision. Various parts of the alligator, such as the tail, legs, and body, are separated. Hygiene is key during this process, ensuring that the meat remains fresh. After being cleaned, the meat is packaged and often frozen to maintain its quality. This meat, known for its mild flavor, similar to chicken or fish, is a delicacy in Southern cuisine. Alligator meat and leather markets. Alligator meat is gaining popularity across the U.S., especially in southern states like Florida, Louisiana, and Texas. It's used in dishes like grilled alligator, fried alligator, and even sausages. Chefs love it for its versatility and nutritional benefits. Rich in protein and low in fat, alligator meat is a great option for those looking for a unique and healthy alternative to traditional meats. Meanwhile, alligator leather is in high demand in the luxury market. From handbags to boots, the quality of alligator leather makes it highly sought after. Farmers focus on raising alligators with the ideal conditions to ensure both the meat and leather are of premium quality, supporting this $100 million industry. Sustainability and future. With the growing demand for both alligator meat and leather, sustainability has become a priority in the industry. Farms are adopting innovative techniques to ensure they remain environmentally responsible while meeting global demand. These practices include better waste management, energy-efficient systems, and a focus on breeding programs that maintain healthy alligator populations. As the alligator farming industry continues to thrive, it is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable luxury products. With advancements in farming practices and continued dedication to animal welfare, the industry shows no signs of slowing down. The future of alligator farming. Looking ahead, the future of alligator farming seems bright, but it will require innovation and adaptability. Farmers are already exploring ways to improve the sustainability of their operations by adopting greener technologies and implementing conservation practices. Advances in breeding programs, which focus on producing alligators that are healthy, resilient, and able to thrive in controlled environments, are also on the horizon. As consumer demand for sustainable products continues to rise, the alligator farming industry will likely see more emphasis on ethical farming practices and environmental responsibility. The balance between luxury and sustainability will be key for the industry's continued success. The alligator farming industry in the southern U.S. is a fascinating blend of tradition, innovation, and luxury. From breeding and caring for these reptiles to harvesting their meat and leather, the industry supports both local economies and global markets. However, as the industry grows, it must face the ethical and environmental challenges that come with farming wild animals. With continued advancements in technology, sustainability, and animal welfare practices, the alligator farming industry is likely to thrive for many years to come.